Good morning. Today we're going to learn how to make an omelet. There's many different ways that we can make an omelet, but we're going to do the traditional way. It really determines what you like to eat when we choose what we want inside of the omelet. Today's ingredients are chopped turkey, some cheese, parsley, and you season to taste. It depends on the things that you like. Powder. And usually it depends on the size of the omelet on how many eggs you're going to use. To start our process, we want to preheat our skillet. So I have the skillet kind of preheating already. You don't want it up too high if you're using an electric. So in the process, we want to take our skillet and preheat our skillet. Usually with the electric stove, we want to have our temperature midway. Gas is a little bit. You have to use some type of oil-based product. What I chose to use is margarine. About a tablespoon of margarine. You're going to put that inside of our preheated skillet going. We're going to take our eggs and we're going to crack them. Place them in a bowl. 2 eggs, remember, depending on your size. And we're going to scramble the eggs as such. Nice consistency. Okay, once you have your eggs scrambled, the next step is to season to your liking. So I'll use a little accent and a little pepper. Get those eggs going. And a few parsley flakes. So our next step is we're going to take our skillet and we're going to just make sure that our butter is melted and all around our pan. So we are ready to make our omelet. Okay, so we're about to pour in our egg compound, but I realized I forgot to tell you, the key to the omelet is a spatula. If you have the right spatula, you'll get a perfect omelet. So we're going to pour in our eggs. So while the egg is cooking, what you want is it to cook slow enough for you to add your ingredients. This one is cooking slow. We're going to turn up the temperature just a notch. Okay? And you want to wiggle your skillet around, and that way the excess egg is also cooking. So it also determines your size with the wiggling that you do. Okay? So I like to place my cheese in first. And you do this on one side. You're doing it on one side because it helps with the flipping. I like to add my cheese in first because the cheese actually can melt on your egg. Next, I'm going to use that trusty old turkey. So let's put our turkey pieces in. Got them in. One side of the egg and you flap it over. Once you flap it over, what you're doing, you may want to pat it a little bit so you can give it an extra you know, so you get the cooking going. You don't once you have your egg flipped over, you're going to take your spatula and you're going to flip the entire omelet again. And at this point, you can turn on the inside. This typically lasts for about a minute on each side. And what we do is we'll take the spatula and your plate, flip it, and we produce the perfect omelet. Thank you for watching me this morning. See you next time.